Welcome to Ultimate Report. I'm Mary Winkenwerder. When you hear the term fountain of youth, what comes to mind? One company has taken this term and has created a marketable commodity for people everywhere. Joining us this episode is Debbie LeBrant Hartung to share with us more about her fountain of youth. Debbie, welcome to Ultimate Report.
Thank you, Mary.
All right. So there are so many solutions on the market that claim to add some sort of moisture to the skin. What gap in the market did you seek to fill when you created Fountain of Youth Hydration Spray?
Great question. And you're right, there are so many different solutions on the market, but I've always been a fan in my 35-year career in this business. I've been a fan of some of the different sprays on the market.
Mhm.
I like to be able to do a midday refresh, something to spray on before your moisturizer to give you extra hydration. So I also was looking for a base in which to put my microlyzed collagen molecule and have it be something quick that you could use at any time during the day. So Fountain of Youth, kind of a fun name, I think.
Yeah, it really and truly is. I think, and not only that, but I mean, it's some products, you know, this lives up to its name. We'll just leave it that way. This product delivers a solid hydration to the skin where misted every time. What are the ingredients in this product that make it work so well? And what is that glorious scent that I experience every time that I mist?
So Mary, it's a very simple product actually. I looked very hard. I wanted to use a water that wasn't just something that would spray on and disappear.
Right.
This is actually a water that has been it's been vortexed, it's been magnetized so that it has a lot of energy in the water, so that when you spritz it on your skin, it brings a lot of energy to your skin. It also has pure rose oil in there from rose petals, from fresh rose petals. So you do get that little burst. It's not a perfume to put on, it's just that temporary burst to really hydrate and freshen you up.
That's wonderful. And what's that glorious scent?
So the scent is from the pure rose petals. It's the rose oil that's in there.
It's so delicate and it's so refreshing and I absolutely love it. How is this product best used and what are your best tips for application?
So it's one of those addictive products I have found. I love this as soon as I get out of the shower in the morning and before I even take the towel off my hair, I like to spritz my skin really well. And I like to have you think of it as the analogy of your dry kitchen sponge in the morning. And something gets spilled and you're not going to be able to pick it up with your sponge until you've wet the sponge. All you're going to do is move the product around. So I feel that no matter how hard I've scrubbed my face in the shower, I spritz this on and the rose oil gives me some immediate calming and soothing. It overhydrates my skin, and I feel like I need less of my moisturizer, and it works better.
That's
You can
wonderful.
you can also, I have clients, and we're entering spring in Colorado. We've been having 80-degree days,
Mm.
and people are driving their convertibles with the tops down.
Sure.
And women love to keep this in their glove box if they're driving convertibles. It's great if you pour some into a smaller container, carry it on an airplane for that instant refresh and hydration. So, and again, it's got that collagen in there, so it's like a burst of good, healthy stuff for your skin as well.
I like that. I mean, that's very attractive to me. It really and truly is. So, who is the Fountain of Youth Hydrating Spray consumer?
You know, that's really a good question too, Mary. I thought it would be for those of us who just really enjoy all the steps and all the layers. But I have moms who have been carrying it in beach bags because they find at the beach or at the pool it's a quick burst of hydration because sometimes the sunscreens we put on our face aren't necessarily moisture, so they're using that to spritz on just to give some instant hydration back to the skin. My husband, who's as manly a man as you can imagine, loves this product after he shaves. He finds it very refreshing and very soothing. So I'm selling a lot more of it than I really anticipated to general consumers. Anyone can really use it.
That's amazing. So, at what age can someone start to successfully use this product and see results?
You know, really any age. Again, my products have no parabens, no gluten, no chemicals. So, as I mentioned, I have moms using it on their toddlers at the pool who look like they're getting maybe a little bit dehydrated.
Mm.
Of course, again, living in Colorado, skiing is big here. And I have skiers that keep it in their little fanny pack up on the slope along with their lip balm. And it is truly that instant, it feels good, but it's really good for your skin as well. So I think anyone could, that's parched especially, would see a benefit from this product.
Okay, the next questions I'm going to ask are just in general for reference because I believe you've already touched base on one of them. Can cosmetic makeup be worn successfully after misting the skin, after misting the nude skin?
Yes. So I love having this during the course of the day because, you know, again, we have this beautiful weather and all these great seasons, and we like to be outdoors. But if I've got a face full of makeup, I really don't want to put on another moisturizer, and I may not really need it, but I feel like I need it. So absolutely mist it over. Or if you've maybe powdered one too many times during the day and you look a
Sure,
little bit dull and dry, and we are all guilty of doing that,
sure.
you can mist that over your last layer of powder or touch-up foundation should you need it, and it really does bring back a nice glow to the skin. And
So,
it's very soothing. It's very refreshing.
so you said missing this over powder. We can wear this or apply this successfully over a full face of makeup to set cosmetic makeup, right?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Obviously, I would suggest holding it back just a little bit further. It's got a pretty big spray,
Yes,
and
it does.
yeah, one or two sprays, although it's tempting to keep applying it, and it's great for hair that's beach dry and starting to get static electricity, but it is fabulous on the face, and a little goes a long way. But
Because
yes,
I have professional cosmetic training, yes, don't use as much as I have just used, but because I'm a glutton at some points, you know what? In my opinion, my gluttonous opinion, this is, more is better, but that's just for me. Not everybody will feel the same way, but you don't need as much as I have sprayed. But I love this product, and I like putting it in the refrigerator too.
oh yeah, absolutely. And it does come in a 4 ounce. And I've had a
Okay.
lot of people starting to ask me if I could make it in something that was 3 ounces or less so that they can carry it in their purse or in their backpack on an airplane. So that is something I'm considering doing. So,
That's wonderful. So, and also I want to bring another point. I've been using this product regularly, and I've been testing it since you sent it to me, and testing and trialing, and trial with no error. I will first say. Secondly, trial with full faces of makeup because I wear it regularly, for the show, and just to refresh and to rehydrate. This keeps your makeup on. Your makeup will not slide off once you spray this on top of the makeup, which is really good.
thank you. I really enjoy that product a lot.
That's a huge compliment. So thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. So okay, now we know all about the product and we're sold on it. Where can we purchase this product right now and have our own little fountain of youth?
So you can go to our website, which is lipbar.com. You can also call our 800 number, 1-800-285-5941.
That's wonderful. And for everyone who likes to engage in online communities, where can we catch up with Lip Bar Cosmetics online?
My favorite part, talking with my clients, hearing from them. So
Absolutely.
on Twitter at LipBarDenver. On Facebook, we have a Facebook page, LipBar90210.
I'm always on Twitter, and I can attest that anytime I send out a tweet, they're really fast about replying or favoriting, retweeting, responding, what have you. So Debbie is very hands-on with her online communities. So if you have any questions about anything, you can reach out successfully, and she will respond to you directly.
Thank you, Mary, for saying that. I pride myself on that.
Absolutely. All right. So, Debbie, thanks so much for joining us. It's been lovely learning about this product, learning how to use it, and this is a winner.
Thank you very much. I'm glad you like it.
All right, and it's been great having you on the show.
It's great to be
So,
back.
everyone, awesome. All right, catch up with me on my blog, www.beautybeautereport.com, and on Twitter at Beauty Publicist, and on YouTube, Ultimate Report. Everyone, thanks so much for joining us. Have a beautiful and successful week. Mwah.